So we're going to discuss seed saving when it comes to tomatoes. You're going to notice that there's some differences when it comes to tomatoes versus, say, peppers or flowers or other things like that. Seed saving with these guys is a little bit different. I'm going to show you why. So you're going to see that with tomatoes and some other things, they have this kind of gelatinous covering on them. They have this kind of like jelly filling cover on them, but that's to protect it when it goes through the digestive tract of the animals and also humans, and then when it comes out, it'll be planted in the ground as a plant. It kind of protects the seed. So how do you get that gel coating off? Because of how are you supposed to save it? Let me show you how. So what you're gonna do, I squeezed out tomatoes right here. I just cut it in half, squeezed it out, and this, we're gonna stick this in a glass jar, and we're gonna stick some water on top of it and let it sit. Just let it sit for a couple days, and then you're gonna notice that all of the jelly stuff is gonna rise to the top. Scrape it off, take out your seeds, put them on a little paper plate, dry them out, you're done.